Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Glass is the most widely used container, as it allows for sunlight to begin the oxygenation process that eventually brews the tea. Plastic, meanwhile, is less popular for a few different reasons. Not only does the tea not brew as effectively, but the plastic can also have an effect on the final taste.
Take our lead.
A popular brewing method for tea lovers in spring and summertime is to let it sit under the natural heat from the sun. The method is simple enough for sure, even oddly satisfying to know that all you need to do is place your tea leaves and water in a clear vase and let the beams of sunlight do the rest.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.